Hello everyone, and welcome back to RubberStamps.com. Today we are going to be going over our March bullet journal spread. So here's a look at some of our past pages, but today we're focusing on March. So I decided to go with a travel theme for March. The cover photo features this adorable truck camper, and then this scene behind it, and the phrase "explore the world" to go with our travel theme. But the real surprise is that we made this whole thing using stamps. So you can see that I used the truck camper stamp, the mountain stamp, the trees, and made this whole scene using stamps and markers. I used this to trace the circle behind the truck camper, and then I filled in everything with markers. But I think it's so fun that this was done just with stamps and markers. For this page, I used this set of mild liner zebra markers, and it was super easy to make, and I think it turned out really cute. The next page that I want to show you is my travel bucket list. I did not finish filling it out, but you can see that I do have Japan and France in here, and I left 2 blank for some future ideas. This page was also made using a stamp set. As you can see here, I definitely prominently used this Polaroid stamp. I also used the airplane, the car, the camper, and the camera, and then the little pin to go in each of the Polaroid photos. I'm excited to continue with this theme, making more pages for my bucket list. For this page, I used Ohuhu markers. These are 3 of the shades that I used, but I did use more than just that. But Ohuhu was the brand for this page. And then the final page that I wanted to share with you was my packing list. I am going on a trip at the end of the month, so I thought it would be fitting to have my packing list with stamps. This is the stamp set that I used. There are a few elements from this one that I used: the Explore the World stamp, the airplane stamp, the globe, and the little arrows at the top of the page as well. And then I drew the cute suitcases using the black click art marker. And then I used the mild liner markers to fill in the corner and the corners of the suitcase and all of the details. I'm so happy with how my March bullet journal pages turned out. I love the travel theme. Stay tuned for the rest of this video. I'm going to do a quick time lapse of some of the things that I did to make each of these pages. But again, this whole month's spread was made using our travel stamp sets from RubberStamps.com.